So the last video ended about right here, where we had this 1.7 equals e to the 0.02t. I have to get rid of the e, so I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of both sides. When that happens, the natural log and e cancels out, and I get on the right side just the 0.02t equals the natural log of 7. Now to get the t alone, I just divide by that 0.02, both sides, divide by 0.02, and I just grab a calculator and I put that in. Natural log of 7 divided by 0.02 is approximately 26.5 years. And we are on the last problem. So what's the amount of time needed? So again, we're looking for time. So we know that the final amount is $10,000. So that's what A is equal to. You know that the initial amount, or the original principal, was $5,000. So that's what P is equal to. And then we have to use this equation because it says it's compounded monthly. It's not compounded continuously. R is the rate of 0.03, and it says compounded monthly. Well, there's 12 months in a year, so we put a 12 there, and we put a 12 right here, times t. T is our unknown. That's what we're looking for. So I'm just going to start by trying to get that t all alone. First thing I notice is I can divide everything by 5,000 and get rid of the 5,000. Over here, 10,000 divided by 5,000 is just 2. And then I end up with this piece right here. And I'm going to grab a calculator and change that to just 1.0025 to the 12t. So that's what this 1 plus 0.03 divided by 12 is. Now, to get rid of this base right here, I'm going to have to take the log of both sides. But in order for that to disappear, I have to take the log of base 1.0025 of 2 equals the log of base 1.0025 of 1.0025 to the 12t. Now this log base 1 point blah 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 cancels that one out, and it just leaves 12t on the right side of the equation. And on the left side of the equation, we have this log base 1.0025 of 2. Now I'm going to divide both sides by a 12 so that the t is all alone. And now I just grab a calculator. And I'm going to have to use my calculator with putting in this base. So if you remember how to do that, if you have a Texas Instrument 85, you just hit math and alpha and then math again. And that makes a little template for you to put that in. But if you put that in your calculator, you get t equals 23.13. So approximately 23 years is how long it would take $5,000 to grow to be $10,000. Okay, done with the review. Look these over. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Have a good one.